Sohaib Langov, cousin of Mahrang Baloch, was often seen standing right beside her at rallies. For months, the Balochiak Jetty Committee and certain so-called human rights groups claimed he was unlawfully detained by Pakistan's security forces. But the truth tells a very different story. On 26 July 2025, Sohaib, along with other terrorists of the Baloch Liberation Army, an internationally banned terrorist organization, launched a deadly attack on Pakistan's armed forces. He was killed in action during the assault. Soon after, the BLA proudly claimed responsibility, confirming Sohaib's role in the attack. Now the question is simple. Can someone who supports and protects such individuals really be called a symbol of peace? Mahrang Baloch's propaganda, built on lies and manipulation, only serves the agenda of terrorists, not the cause of peace. It's time for the Nobel Peace Committee to think again. Is this what global peace stands for?